Hello, I'm Chad Robertson, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the initial assembly of a DJI Mavic 2 drone. First, I begin with unfolding the arms of the drone. Then I install the propellers, matching up the two that are marked with a circle to the two motors that are marked with white lines. Now it is ready for the battery, and remember to remove the gimbal protector from the camera before powering on to prevent damaging the gimbal motor. Then I install the memory card. The last thing you want is to be 400 feet in the air, half a mile away, and realize you can't record. Next I grab my controller, unfolding the antenna and grips. Then I take the thumbsticks and screw them in. Finally, plug in smartphone and slide it into the grips. That concludes the initial pre-flight setup of the Mavic 2 drone. Now get out there and have fun flying.